Hi everyone, we have built a product called Phoenix. Phoenix looks so weird, so we made like Operations Phoenix. So before going into what Operations Phoenix is, we will try to find out what is the problem it is trying to solve. If you look into this particular logs, you can see that orders has been created, order service has been doing all things good, and then there is no issues in it. What if there is a secret manager entry, which is obviously a configuration entry, and then the configuration entries has been changed? Okay, so what if the configuration entries has been changed as part of some deployment, and then which might cause our so-called order system to fail? How can we revert it back? So that is what we are going to show. Okay, so as of now, we have someone has corrupted that secret manager. Now we are going to simulate the load. Okay, so we are running a small script to simulate the load. You can see that order has been created, but shipping has been failed. Okay, and if you look into the log now, you can see that there has been so many stack traces in our GCP log, as because you can see that the fail to generate shipping ID kind of something. So this is, if this scenario happen in a real time, what would you do? We would be getting the triage team, and then we will be looking into it, and then we will be changing something, and then we will try to find out what is there in the code, and then we will just try to work on it and then just update it. So what our Phoenix will do? Okay, I am going to start my Phoenix multi-agent orchestrator, which is in Java. Now I have started it, and then you can see that it has fetched the last 50 error logs, which means for each and every time it keep on running as a scheduler and then try to fix it. And after finding that, it has created a new branch called hotfix shipping ID generation. And also it find out like the particular secret has been used in order service.java, and it is trying to find out what are all the versions for that particular secret, which is order application ID. And then it is trying to update the file content so that it will go for something which is the previous one. And also you can see it is creating a pull request. You can see that, let me open the GitHub. You can see that there is a new branch has been created, and then the pull request has been there, and then also you can see the pull request has been merged. Okay, so you can, if you open the, let me open the pull request, you can see that the pull request has been created and then the hotfix has been merged. Okay, not just that, you can see here it has find out, instead of getting the latest secret information, get the previous one, so that probably we will see that whether it is going to fix it. The idea there is there has been so many agents which are running here and there, and these agents will try to find out what is the best possible solution which it can able to give. And also you can see the build will be automatically getting triggered after it merges the PR. And then we will wait for the new version to be deployed there. And then hopefully our build would be success, and then the order would work fine. The intent of, let me say, what is the intent of it, how it is going to be helpful. As you are aware of it, whenever there is a prod support call in the night, it is going to be a big bad problem. And then when we want to fix it, it will never be usually in the code. It will always be in the configuration. We have seen that. We have seen that in last year during the CrowdStrike, as well as this year, I guess, in GCP. Predominantly, most of the things has been working like the configuration issue. It couldn't be able to find out, or someone has messed up the configuration, or someone has added a configuration newly, which doesn't work well. So if we could able to have an option like wherever your configuration is, if it is well version control, something like a GCP secret manager or some other thing, we can just do a revert and then we will see how it works. Is it going to fix it? Yes, it might fix it. But what if after completing, what will happen? Let's see. Let's wait for the build to be complete. Okay. So this entire product has been built with Google ADK, with Java, and then totally within GCP. I could able to see that a newer image has been downloaded and things are working fine. We just need some time so that the deploy will automatically takes place. So this tool, the Phoenix tool, will try to find out whatever has been dead. So especially if some errors has been happening there, it will try to connect with multiple systems and then see like what is a better thing which I can able to give, and then I can able to make this application up and running, so that I don't want to wake up those people who are sleeping. Also, I want to make these things very fast. Okay. And also I need to obviously send a message. So let me pause because it's going to run at least 2 to 3 minutes. So it is getting ready to deploy. You can see that it is saying deploying container to Cloud Run service, and then you can see that it has successfully completed. And the meantime, whatever it has done, it will just consolidate our agent, the multi-agent stuff will consolidate and send you an information to your mail. So you can see here, since I have used my own Gmail app ID, it is coming from me. Okay, so it will be obviously for whatever. And then you can see that what are all the incident that's happened, and then what is the class it has been affected, and what is the root cause of it, and what are all the code changes the app has done, and then what is the PR it has raised, and then what is the name of the PR, and what is the status of PR things, and then resolution timeline. So we have just put that as a placeholder. We couldn't able to complete that. And probably these are all other things which we can able to take it in the next step, if you could able to provide us some more GCP credits. Okay, so this is it. And then let's confirm that. We will just go back to the logs and then see like whether it's been up and running. And also we will trigger some more orders to see like how it is behaving. Okay. And see, application has started. Things are okay. We will again now simulate orders. Order has created, confirmed, and then you can able to see like it also have a shipping ID now, which hasn't been there earlier. Okay, so you can see order 13 has confirmed. It has a shipping ID, all the stuff, and then also you can see that in log. Things are well and good there. So what we have come, the intent of this entire product is there are orders, there are shippings, and then we want to build a multi-agent which can track logs. And then if based on the configuration changes, if there are any configuration changes which has happened, and then because of the configuration change, if something goes wrong or something gets dead, having so much errors, it will automatically fix it, and then it will automatically redeploy it by raising a PR and then doing all the stuff which you have seen. And this is Ops Phoenix, and with me, this is Muthukumaran, and then with me, Shama and Sreyash, who has worked really hard for this product. And then we have done it only in 3 days. If there is a chance that we could able to do more, probably I think we could have done some more better. And then all our code bases are available, which you can able to see. And then it's deployed in GCP Cloud Run. It can be deployed. The agent can be deployed in GCP Cloud Run. The only reason we have shown it from local is it was for the demonstration purpose. Okay.